Hi, my name is Imanshu. I'm a developer and a designer, and from the past 2 weeks, I have been working on a Chrome extension, which will help the users to replace their boring homepage to a more aesthetically pleasing, along with focused on user productivity. So we'll have small productivity tools in the homepage itself, like the Note app, a To-Do app. Then we'll also gonna integrate Google Calendar integrations, bookmarks, and maybe a Pomodoro timer. And this will all will be authenticated so that data can be synced in the browser. So there is a little sketch, and I'll show you the actual. So this is stuff I've been working on. This is the time, date. Uh, so a main goal is to make it aesthetically pleasing, beautiful, along with the uh, best UI and the UX that I can provide, and we can move this task and uh, stuff like that. And we can also delete that. And there's the note app. Yes. So you can also drag it like that. So this is basically the toy version of it. We are so I'm thinking of adding more features to it in the upcoming weeks. So yes, that's my version. Thank you. And I'm gonna be dropping the waitlist from ASAP. So make sure you also check that out. Thank you.